Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Where is the clock? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Board. Wall. Shelf. Clock. Conversation. Where is the board?
It's on the wall.
What's on the board?
A marker is on the board.
Where are the books?
They are on the shelf.
Where is the clock?
It's on the wall.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. Where is the board?
It's on the wall.
What's on the board?
A marker is on the board.
Where are the books?
They are on the shelf.
Where is the clock?
It's on the wall.
Word quiz. Shelf. Clock. Board. Wall. Conversation quiz. What did Max say? Where is the clock? Where is the board?
It's on the wall.
What did Max say? What's on the board? Where is the board?
A marker is on the board.
What did Lily say? Where are the books?
They are on the shelf. A marker is on the board.
You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.